What if binoculars could see in thermal and full digital 4K colour that rivals traditional optics and somehow still be compact and lightweight? Well, meet the Draco from Pixra. They make detection, identification and range finding completely seamless. And it's all in a surprisingly small and lightweight binocular form. I'm David Thomas Jacks and we represent Pixfra in the UK. And I review, unpack and get out in the field to test, compare and demonstrate how to get the most from all kinds of thermal and night vision gear to help you put the right stuff on your shopping list and get to grips with your tech. You've probably heard of Pixfra. They've been around for quite a few years now, steadily building a reputation for high spec as well as surprisingly good value. Now the Draco, that delivers all that and more besides. There are 3 different thermal sensors in the range. The entry-level D225 4K with a 256 by 192 sub 18 millikelvin thermal sensor for 1300 meters detection range for closer range observation. Then there's the mid-range D335 4K with a 384 by 288 sub 15 millikelvin thermal sensor. And then there's this one. This is the D635 4K with a 640 by 512 sub 15 millikelvin thermal sensor. 1800 meter detection range for longer distance viewing and a more refined thermal image. But these aren't just thermal binoculars. Whichever Draco you choose, you've got 4-in-1 functionality. Thermal imaging, 4K digital colour for daytime, 4K digital night vision with smart infrared illumination that will just add light to that image and extend your range. And you've got the laser rangefinder, so you're equipped for any scenario. The thermal channel, that's focusable, and so is the digital channel to deliver a crisp, full 4-colour image in daylight. The clarity, do you know what, it's so next level, I think you're going to be selling your normal binoculars. And these still allow you to view in colour well into twilight. Then, when it is too dark, you've a choice of black and white, yellow, or green that feel a little bit like night vision goggles. All of which you can amplify to increase your visible range by choosing the 850 nanometer IR illuminator model or an invisible 940 nanometer model. Or if you can't decide between the two of these illuminators, which are adjustable and have got lots of different settings, then they are available separately and interchangeable. Now underneath here, you've got a laser rangefinder that's good for 1000 meters at the tap of a button. The Draco is powered by 2 18650 batteries in here that are easy to swap out and will keep you going for 8 to 9 hours. The controls, well, they feel great and they are silent. Pixfra have really considered both comfort and simplicity in how you control everything. This wheel, honestly, this wheel is epic. You can digitally zoom both the thermal and the digital channels, and it'll also access and control the entire menu with one finger. Imagine the difference that could make in the dark. It is just so much simpler. Now both of these have got 0.49 of an inch full HD OLED displays that can be simply adjusted to fit your face. You can pop these out of the way if you wear glasses, and the diopter on each lens is adjustable from -5 to +5, which is way more accommodating than some. And in terms of other differences versus alternative multispectral binos that you may have considered, Draco is smaller in every dimension than others that look a little similar. They're also quite a lot lighter. This D635 model is 75 grams lighter, which for some people is enough reason alone to try them for yourself. And finally, if that's not enough, the Draco also comes with this 4-point chest harness. It's very easy to get on and there's plenty of adjustability in all the straps for someone who's a bit bigger than I am. It opens completely silently and stays out of the way with magnets, and you can also tether your Draco to the harness with these quick release straps just to keep it safe when you're out in the field. You've got pockets on the outside and another pocket on the inside for somewhere to keep your lens cloth. Now there will be more videos to come, including a field test of the Draco to show you its thermal, digital daytime, digital nighttime and laser range finding capabilities. So subscribe and watch this space. In the meantime, if you've a question, then drop a comment below, or you can check out the full specifications of the different Pixfra Draco multispectral binoculars at pixfra.com. Thanks for watching.